How to set up stop loss and take profit on Tradingview. So firstly guys, search for the asset that you wish to trade. In my case, just some Tesla. After that, you can just press on sell or buy. And this brings up this little interface right here, where you can buy and also set the take profit, which is right over here, and stop loss, which is right over here. So as you can see, by default, they are grayed out. That's because we didn't turn them on. So just press on this button and on this button. So this enables both take profit and stop loss. And now as you can see, the ticks are disabled, the ticks are displayed, and also the price. So in order to take profit, you just type in some kind of number, and for stop loss as well, some kind of number. As you can see, it's also measured in ticks. So as you can see, you will need to input the proper number so that it lets us do this, so that it lets us save, so that it lets us sell. And this is pretty much the mechanic behind taking profit and stopping the losses. If you enjoy our videos, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.